Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lavia with the Fro. Actually, I have braids on, so you can call me Lavia with the braids. Oh wow, you see that? Anyways guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can style your box braid. These are easy styles. If you're tired of just letting it down, you want to do something creative, try it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll tell you why you should subscribe. One, I drop amazing natural hair content and I make lifestyle content. So if you have any video suggestions, let me know in the comment section. Let's get into this video. All right. So that's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till next time, bye guys.